Hello, friends. So I hope everyone is doing well. It has been a long time that I haven't created any video or uploaded any video on YouTube. So let's start again with the new video of option trading plan. So before starting with that video, so just an update for the 26th August expiry that happened last week. This was the last video that I had uploaded. So the position was in profit and the option had expired in between this particular range, and we have booked around 2300 rupees profit per lot in this trading plan. And also some updates on the stock that I have videos that I have shared in the Techno Funda analysis series. So some of the stocks like NOSIL, IRCTC had given like more than 40%, 30-40% returns, which is very good for a trader as well. So keep trailing your stop loss and enjoy the market rally right now that we are enjoying. So let's start with the option trading plan for next week expiry, which is 9th September. So as we all know that currently the Nifty is trading at the all-time high levels, and also it is in uncharted territory right now. So it's not possible to find support and resistance at this particular point. But in this case, we take help of Fibonacci retracement, and as many of you will know that I use Fibonacci retracement very much. And so let's start. Let's check what level does the Fibonacci retracement gives us. So I am plotting this from this particular low to this particular from this particular high to this particular low, which was a downtrend for Nifty for around 2 to 3 months. So I will plot a Fibonacci retracement for this. So as you can see, the level that is plotted is currently these levels are out of range. Even this level is out of range, which is 1.618, and this is the immediate resistance level for Nifty, which is 17,500. So I will just plot a line for that for that particular level, just for our reference. So this can be a resistance for Nifty in short term. And also one more thing, we don't know the support, and also in Fibonacci retracement, we don't have any levels in between, like it is 1.618 and 2.1618. So we will take a round figure of support, which is 17,000 right now, because Nifty is trading at 17,236. So we will take a round figure of support for Nifty, which is 17,000. So I will just plot that particular level as well. So this is the major range in which we will be taking a trade. So the support level is 17,000 and resistance is 17,500. And we will be taking a position, an option in this particular strike in itself. So we will be shorting calls above 17,500, which I am mentioning right now here. And we will be shorting puts below 17,000, so which I will mention here right now. So these are the two strikes that we will take a trade. And also one more thing, that we don't keep our trade naked. So we will hedge our position by buying 200 points away option, which will be 17,500 plus 200, which is 17,700 call. And by subtracting 200 points from 17,000 put, which means 16,800 put. So these two options, OTM options, we will buy to hedge our position for from unlimited risk, and we will do our hedging in this case. So let's check the premiums for this particular options right now. So I am just taking the note of the premiums that we might get for the expiry. So 17,500 call and 17,000 put. So these are the positions, and we are getting decent premiums. And and also I'm adding the strikes for our hedge. So which means 16,800 put and 17,700 call. So the one thing that we are seeing, that market is up around 1%, and also VIX is going up. So we might get a good premiums as well for our option trading plan, for our option trade. So here is the premiums that we might get for the 9th September expiry. And let's check this particular premiums and the payoff in the Opstra platform. So I will just load the position here. So 17,500 call, add position. So the positions I have added, which is a naked position of 17,000 put and 17,500 call. So as you can see here, the maximum profit that one can get is around 3,300, and the margin required will be 1.1 lakhs. Now we will hedge our position. So we will be buying 16,800 call put, and 17,700 call. So now our position is ready in the Opsta, and now you can see the maximum profit is 2,000. The maximum loss is now 7,900, 70 around 8,000 rupees per lot. The premiums that we are paying is around 45,000 rupees per lot. So this is the statistics, and this is the payoff chart. I will share this payoff in the description section of this video as well, so you can track the position during the live market hours. Also, one more important update, like about the exit plan. So we will exit our position if Nifty closes above 17,500 or if Nifty closes below 17,000. So these are the two crucial points, and we will immediately close our position on the closing basis itself. So if, let's say, at 3:25 p.m. Nifty is trading about 17,500 or Nifty is trading below 17,000, then at before 3:30 we will close our position. We won't carry any position at that time, and we will close all the positions that we have, all the 4 positions. So this is about the stop loss. And regarding alerts and all, you can use alerts feature, which your broker might provide. Also, there's alert feature in investing.com. You can do Google and check how it works and what are the functionalities and all. I am not able to, like, for me it won't be possible to create a video. It's very simple, and so you can check alert features as well. So this is about the trading plan for 9th September expiry. If you have learned anything from this video, then you can like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos in the future, and also do share this channel as we are creating only basic videos for the market traders who are learning right now. So this is all about for today's video. There is also a disclaimer with this video. Thank you, guys.